A mistake.
No!
You have been since the day you were born.
I thought I could fix it all. Fix me. But I ran out of time. They saw. They know. There's no denying it now. This is what I am.
Ruby, no.
You knew I was a mistake from the very start. Do what you should have done a long time ago. Before I destroy what I swore to protect. Please.
We broke into a million pieces and we can't go